And how long?
The question, probably the answer will be nobody knows.
Oh.
Nobody knows, but we do know that this place was built in 1440s, and when they abandoned this place twice, the last time they abandoned was in 1550s, right? And even at that time, they didn't finish building this city. So, how many people was working? I assume at least 50,000 people every day. Found water on the upper part of this mountain with the name of Machu Picchu, natural springs. And from the natural springs, the natural water is running all the time, not all. July 24 of 1911 by Hiram Bingham. We're saying rediscover because when he arrived here, he found local people living. Royal Mausoleum, but we didn't find evidence enough to prove it. Anyway, for us, in our cosmovision, in our Andean philosophy, when we are finding a natural boulder, we consider it as a manifestation of Mother Earth. If the rock is a manifestation of it, a cave will represent the wombs of Mother Earth. Part of the Chacana symbol, that is what is there. Look at the different masonry work. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Sorry, Joe, you cannot go there with your
his knife.
with your knife there, but it's impossible even to introduce a needle there because it is so fine, so smooth. Rock with rock, no mortar. Niches there, and some sticking stones, probably to hang some offerings there. Which call our attention is actually how they carve out that rock over there. Can you see down there?
Yes. Yeah.
And you black color. Actually, that's a color of blood, isn't it? Can you see it?
Yeah, at the bottom.
Yeah.
At the bottom. So evidence of sacrifices. If Frankie will be here, he will be talking about pretty girls dismembered. But this was not the case. In this case, according to the evidence, llama and alpaca sacrifices.
Oh.
How different is the conception? For us, the black alpaca or the black llama is the purest one.
Oh.
You know, that is the best. Not the white, the black. Beautiful inclination, leaning in. The same wall change here. So the quality is not as good as the other. And if you keep seeing the projection, you will see the other side. So it's completely different. So some people could say, oh, probably that was made by the pre-Incas. And this by the very beginning of the Incas and this, the best Incas. Not really. They built leaning to important days, December 21st and June 21st. Actually, December 22nd, more than 21st. Oh, a special day. And it means winter and summer solstice.
winter solstice. There are two windows down there. Those windows are aligning for the summer and winter solstice.
Means young mountain. If the big one means old mountain, and that one means young mountain. The idea how it was. If you're following one of the lines, making holes, then you can introduce wooden wedges. And thanks to the water and the expansion of the woods, you can
Patana means to tie up. So here is where the Incas used to tie up. So this corner is pointing to Huayna Picchu Mountain, which is north. That is pointing to Machu Picchu Mountain, which is south. This is west, and that.
head, beak, white color we saw, right? Remember the color we saw? Its body. And the projection of it over there. With the wing. We're going to climb some more.
Esas son.
Podemos subirnos a la parte más interesante, a la ONU. Finalmente aquí acabamos en la parte más baja.
All the best for you. Happy trails to you.